Hey everyone, this is my vintage Arvin Model 37H25-1 radiant fan-forced electric heater. Now this unit pulls about 1,320 watts and it probably puts out around about 4,800 BTUs of heat. Now I think that this unit was manufactured in the mid to late 1960s, given its appearance. Now behind the grill, we have nichrome ribbon heating elements, and those glow orange to red hot as the heater operates. And behind the thermostat control panel, there's a small fan and a tip-over safety cutoff switch, but those are kind of concealed behind a plate. So without further ado, we'll go ahead and give you a look around this heater, and then we'll do the running demonstration. So, hope you enjoy. So the side of it isn't particularly interesting, but it gives you a perspective of how the unit looks. You can see the big wide feet that it has. The back of it is just a straight enclosed panel. Looks like there are some rivets there to secure the fan and the tip over safety. You can also see the fold down handle. Here's the information plate. Just tells you about the wattage and the model number and all of that, along with patent information. And here's the thermostat control panel. The thing I always kind of thought was interesting about these is how they say instant warmth or instant heat. So with that, we'll go ahead and turn off the lights and start the demonstration up. And we'll just turn the heater on. And this unit throws out a pretty good amount of heat. You can see the heating elements glow nice and evenly, and they're a nice bright orange color. Here's a close-up of the fan running. You can't really see it, but it just makes a very quiet little purring sound. And now we'll show the tip over safety function working. If the heater tips forward, it cuts power to the heating elements and the fan, and when you put it back on its feet, it powers back up automatically. This is a safety feature pretty much on all electric heaters these days. And so with that, we'll turn the heater off, and we'll go ahead and get to the conclusion of this video. I would like to thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit that like button below. And if you'd like to see more, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, because there will be more to come. And so with that, we will see you later.